Now you don't need to worry about manual refresh that, okay, take the Power BI file, then change the data. Because data is somewhere online, it is automatically getting updated. Okay, I will show you one of our dashboard where most of the things are in cloud. Okay, and then so here let's go for data science. And I was having some reports here, data science online. Okay, and when I go here, and if you see the gateway, I'm using a SharePoint folder. Now SharePoint is accessible from this account because that is also cloud. So it is showing that yes, you are able to connect. And once that is there, then what will happen? It will first validate the credentials for the first time whenever you are setting it up. And if that is successful, then it will say, okay, let's create your schedule. When do you want to refresh it? What is the time zone? Daily or monthly or weekly? Okay, time zone, let's put Abu Dhabi. Where is Abu Dhabi? Here. At what point? Maybe I want to share it or refresh it at 5 a.m. in the morning, and then another refresh at maybe 11 a.m. in the morning. And then if there is any error in the refresh for whatever reason, who should be informed? This ID will be informed. And then click on apply. And then click on apply. So this will be automatically set up. Now you don't need to worry about manual refresh that, okay, take the Power BI file, then change the data, because data is somewhere online, it is automatically getting updated. Okay. If you are using offline file, then it doesn't matter whether you click on this refresh or you change the data, you are putting some efforts, right? So then add this effort of clicking this refresh button and publishing it. If it is somewhere in accessible location, online, SharePoint, Google Sheets, or Amazon Redshift, Microsoft Dynamics, somewhere which is accessible to Power BI, then you can automatically refresh it. So I will show you one more workspace. My team is refreshing some dashboards for our clients. So here you can see this is the report. This is our internal report, which was refreshed 2nd June, 7:43 p.m. Abhi, my colleague is on leave, who is in charge of this, but it is automatically refreshed. The next refresh will happen on morning, 7:30 a.m. because we are doing a lot of like spend and the transactions are happening, and I need to see a like latest picture, what is happening in my data. Okay, not every organization requires that much frequency. Maybe once in a day, once in a week, that is also fine. Okay, but this is the process. If the data set is accessible, then only you can set up the automatic refresh, otherwise not possible. And I would advise generally for this, the data set would be provided either from a database or from some online places, some servers. So IT team will have to be involved. Ask them to give the access in a like accessible mode, some connection strings, or if it is offline somewhere, then they might also need this data gateway. So install this. Installation also, they will set it up. Okay, we can share you n number of videos from other creators how to set up a data gateway if required.